Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see what is ASP.NET MVC. So MVC stands for Model View Controller. So what is controller? Controller is a class which contains our subroutine, function and action results. And what is model? Model contain classes which represent our database object and table properties. And what is view? MVC provides us a view engine that covers a view engine and a view contain both HTML and server-side language code. After debugging our view, the Razor View engine generates HTML pages for us. How MVC work? For example, our client requests to controller with name home to go to index page, then the request goes to home controller and then to action result with name index like URL in web browser. If this action has some code to retrieve data from database, then controller goes to model and using him it will retrieve data from database and redirect us to index page with that data. For example, a client send a request to a controller to generate a view. So first of all, controller goes to that action result which is related to that view. If there is a code an action result to interact with database, then controller goes to model and using model it will interact with database, and then with the output result from model, controller goes to view and generate HTML page with that result and send it back to client. So that is basic concept of MVC. Hope this video is helpful for us. Have a nice time. Goodbye.